how to use Extreme Battery Saver on Google Pixel phone. This will help you maximize the battery life if you're on low battery and you're trying to save battery in like emergency situation. So first go to settings. Here click on settings, then type in the search battery saver, then click on the first option that says battery saver, and then here you have to switch to extreme battery saver and then turn the option from here, and that's pretty much it. There's also the options from here that you can choose which apps to run. So this extreme battery saver will only run the essential apps, and you can add to the list if you think some other apps that are essential to you. You can add it from this plus sign. So you can add the gallery or the calendar and whichever app you want, and then you can go back and then turn it back on. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel.